Here's Marcita. Hi, Mars. Marcy. Bye, love. Sab. Kaya ako mo pang eh. Hi, B. Good morning. Chup, chup. Web. No, B. What's that?
It's
Web. Web.
Web.
It should be web. Web. What letter makes that sound?
Web.
What letter?
B.
W. Start with the first letter.
This
W.
one. Rat.
Okay, write down.
Rat.
What's the first letter? What why M? Rat. R. They don't write immediately. You have to think first if it's the correct letter. Rat. R.
Look at it and then do it.
Yeah, that's how you do it. You don't write immediately. You have to think first if it's the correct letter, so you will get it right.
Rag.
Rat.
I said rag.
Bilis na rat. R. The first letter is R.
Rat. It's
What?
I know.
Good job. Rat. What's the next letter? Rat. B, what are you writing down? Fan. Okay, write it down. F.
What's for?
Go. Think first. F. What letter makes that sound? Has that sound? Letter
V.
F.
V.
V is V. F. You want F.
Fan.
What letter lagi? Bilis na.
Fan. Like this.